Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'll be playing Battle Cats. So let's go ahead play. So, maybe it's gonna, I don't know, offline, but it's raining here, so yeah. We need to upgrade our cats. Well, we need to buy new cats. So let's see this one if we can. Oh, we got a tank cat. We got an axe cat. Wow. What are the special cats? I want to see what are the special cats. The cat god. Definitely want that. Back. Let's get more cats. And use. Oh, I definitely want to get this one, but yeah. I need more money for that. Well, I can't buy it, but I'm not gonna waste my money on that first. You can see the water coming, but from outside, but it's not coming inside, but yeah, that's okay. Okay, let's see. We're fighting Tail Land. Okay, so let's send some cats out. Let's set some cancel. So yeah, I got no idea what that is in Tailland. I don't know what they're. Yeah, I'm gonna save up for this big cat, and I can buy this one too. I'm gonna get 200 so I can get the axe one. Let me shoot so I can. Oh no, I can't shoot right now. I'm gonna try to shoot. I need a fire. Ah, dang it, I missed. But yeah, you can get it on the Play Store, this app. So this is a great game. So yeah, we're gonna have to fight get all of our cats. So yeah. And as you can see, I got some cats. 3 cats, but I need 5 more. So I got the cat of God, so I'm gonna see if I can get it. Wow. Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna try to get that. And then I got it. Oh my god. Oh, there's 2. I thought there was 1. Oh. Oh my god, there's so many cats. There's so many cats. Okay, what happens? Wait, what? Oh, we get what? I got no idea what's the point of this. Do I get more money or something? I got no idea. But my cats are doing good. Yeah, this is a good game to play when you're on vacation or something, yeah. I say so because it kind of looks like one. Send more cats. Oh, I can send a lot of these. Okay, good. They're taking Tailland now. Oh, I can get the axe one. The victory is mine. Finally. Well, that was a good start. Okay. Get the bonus. Okay. Got an item. Let me go get this over here. The cat cannon attack. Oh yeah, I need to definitely upgrade that. Oh no, I don't have. I didn't even notice that. But yeah, we do need to upgrade that. Worker cat rate. Do I have money for that? Well, let's see the other ones. Worker wallet, health. Oh yeah, definitely want that. Okay, let's go kill some more cats. Well, attack them. Okay, where am I? Kekumbindia, or I don't remember what that is. Well, how to pronounce that. So yeah, okay. Good start. For some reason I can't. I need to get more money. No, go. Oh no, they're taking over. I got 2 cats now to attack them. So yeah, right now I need to get more coins so I can get, well, yeah, a 50 because, yeah, I need to get more cats. This is a cute game though. So yeah. And if you guys know or not know, but my brother's watching me play because this is not a multiplayer game. So say hi. Yeah. I don't know if you heard him, but he said hi. Yeah. I'm getting a good start, but yeah. What was? Oh, I thought that was a dinosaur that just came out. Okay, I wanna Cat of God this. Cat food. We got 50 cat food. So what is this? Wrath of God. Okay. God bless you. Healing OCS. Baby boom. I can't request that for some. God bless you. Yes, I definitely want that. And this is kind of funny though. Wait. Oh, that's what it does. Oh, okay. Well, that helped a little bit. Find Cambodia, or I don't know, can't pronounce it. First, I got some of these cats. That's why I'm just spawning big cats. So, and just keep spawning until we get to attack the statue. They're attacking good. Like, look, like they just. I'm gonna send out the axe one. Okay, there. Okay, send out the axe one. That's good. Okay. That's a statue I think you need. Okay, come on, help the axe one. These cats are not really helping the axe cat. I forgot what it's called, but I think it's the axe cat, since I call it that. So these little humans, I'm gonna try to get these because I don't know if you see them, but let me scroll over there. Not scroll, but show you with this record button. Like these right here. Okay, I don't want shoot the cannon right now, so yeah.
Guys, what do you mean what thing for this thing?
What?
What thing for this thing?
Oh, he said we need a lot of things, but he meant with cats, he said. Well, he didn't say, but I think so. Okay, I want one of these, 40. I want another God bless you. Try not to laugh because, yeah, it's kind of funny, so yeah. Blow away the cat. Wait, that didn't, oh, never mind. Victor is mine. Finally, gained 200 XP. Okay, so I'm gonna get an air battle. So yeah, we're in the Philippines. Philippines. So that's where there's a bunch of twins. Oh,
Paper.
no. Like I have no idea what that thing is, but yeah, strange. Let's send out just one. Do not risk it.
Fuck.
Actually, I'm gonna send more. So yeah. I'm sending more. How many minutes do I have? 10 already? Oh my god. I'm sending more cats. There's these humans that I want to get people. So yeah. I'm just gonna do it. So guys, that'll be the end of the video because I can't record more. So yeah, that'll be the end of the video, guys. See you in the next one.